Inside her tiny apartment, Lily was already in a panic. Her big presentation was due in an hour. Her laptop screen glowed, showing a half-finished project. "Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!" she mumbled, her fingers flying across the keyboard. Suddenly, her eyes darted to her empty coffee mug. A shiver ran down her spine. No coffee meant no brain power. "I need caffeine, stat," she declared, leaping from her chair like a startled cat. Her curly brown hair bounced wildly. She grabbed her laptop bag, which felt unusually heavy, and dashed out the door, barely remembering to lock it. Down the stairs she flew, 2 steps at a time, her sneakers squeaking with each landing. Her heart thumped a frantic rhythm. Outside, the city was slowly waking up. Taxis zoomed by, and a few early birds were already walking their dogs. Lily scanned the street frantically. Where's the nearest coffee shop? She wondered, her gaze darting left and right. Just then, she spotted a familiar calming face strolling towards her. It was Mr. Putter, her incredibly zen neighbor. Mr. Putter was sipping a perfectly brewed latte, looking utterly unbothered by the early hour or the world's rush. "Good morning, Lily," he said with a serene smile, his voice as smooth as cream. "Running a bit behind?" "Behind?" Lily wailed, throwing her hands up dramatically. "No coffee, Mr. Putter. No coffee." Mr. Putter chuckled softly. "Ah, the elixir of productivity. I believe the daily grind just opened around the corner." He pointed a long, elegant finger down a side street. Lily's eyes widened with hope. "You're a lifesaver," she shouted, already sprinting in the direction he indicated. Her laptop bag swung wildly. She burst through the coffee shop doors, panting, and practically skidded to a halt in front of the counter. "Large, extra strong, and quickly, please," she gasped, leaning against the counter, utterly out of breath. The barista, used to the morning rush, nodded calmly. Within minutes, a steaming cup of coffee was in her trembling hands. Lily took a huge gulp. A warm, energizing jolt went through her veins. Her eyes brightened, and a determined smile spread across her face. With her coffee secured and her brain now fully awake, Lily knew she could conquer her deadline. "Let's do this," she thought.